Well, in this video we are going to see the PointCloud. For this option we have to use the ptbuilder.exe. We have to register the product in the similar way that we do before in ortodrone and ortoSky, and check with the email. Once we have the registration done, open ptbuilder. Inside the images output, we have a cloud folder. If this is empty, maybe the version create the cloud in this other side, cloud high resolution .ply, and put into the cloud folder. Okay. Now we are going to prepare in ptbuilder. The first step is the coordinate system, the similar all of this project. Then this is the path where we create the cloud. We have to introduce the name of the folder, trial in this case, and we have to add files or path if we have so elements. Here all of this extension, and we have to select the cloud. Okay, we have set all of the information, and now we have to adjust this information, this important 3 points: step, spacing, and scale. The step is the number of levels where we have to create a 3D parameters. The spacing. After that, I'll explain all of these options. We can change the language too. Okay, space in this case we put 2, and scale in centimeters. Each value of these 3 points, when we put step 7, is the number of levels where we create points, and after put 7, press enter. The spacing is the distance, the minimum distance between points that create at the first level. In the first level, the points will appear with 2 meters of spacing. Okay. In the second step, the distance will be half, 1 meters. The third level, half of the level before. Okay, and after that we have to execute the process. When finished, this process takes some minutes. When finished, we press word wrap, and at the end of the report we can see how from 11 million points were processed 9 millions. This is the 75%. Okay, the process is running, and meanwhile we can start or run ortoSky, in which we can see the PointCloud when it's created. A new project. Okay, and now we have to wait to Point Builder is finished. This process depends of the number of points, depend of the workstation, and depends of the configuration of step, spacing, and scale. The process is finished, and if we press and word wrap, at the end we can see the results like we can see before. 75% of the points were processed. We can close Pet Builder, and now in ortoSky we are going to create a connection, a PointCloud connection. This PointCloud connection is at the level in this way, PC repository at this level, and after that we can see all of the connection inside. Okay. In this example, we created the trial and directly select and drag and drop. Appears one layer, double click. With double click we can see the points. With these points we can see the coordinate system is the same that all of project, and we can change the size of the points. Now we are going to see in this different possibility of view of points. This is for elevation, and we have to constrain color to project limits. And we can see points of the area created. With the wheel of the mouse we can do the zoom, and with this 3D window we can navigate through the area. If we have a 3D mouse, is more comfortable and easy to move, unless we can do it with the normal mouse. Also we can select an area with these tools. With this tool, for example, in this area, and open the spin LiDAR window, and here we can see the point that we selected. We can change the size and move with these different options. This is the profile view, and move, and move. We can see the profile of the building. We can activate the different lines that we use for measure the height of the building, the width of the roof. This is an orthogonal window, and we can do measurements very accuracy. Okay, at this point we can view at the same time the stereoscopic pairs. If we save before the flight, we can open here. In this case, we didn't save it. For this reason, I'm going to create again the flight project. Very quick. Okay, switch off the. We select all the images, create the normal pass, switch off the lines, and we can see one pair in Anaglyphs. And we can see simultaneously the PointCloud with stereo pairs. If we have here created the connection to geometries captured before, we can see together with all of the information. If we put in dual mode for we can see the points collocated, the ground points in the ground, and building points in the building or vegetation. And we can activate the snap LiDAR, where the cursor put in the theta of each point, in ground or in the building. Okay, here we can capture elements, doing a snap to the points and capture the theta of the point cloud. Okay, we want to give thanks to Verview Mapping, who is our distributor in India, special for Ashwin, who lent us the example for this workshop.